You could sit on a hog, sit on anything you like. Now let your hands go behind you and bend through the right knee. Do we remember this exercise? Now this one is for those of you, a couple of you have messaged that you've been doing lots of sport. Knees, quads, and very much this one gets that, it's called the vastus medialis, and it's in here, and it's a muscle that's missed a lot for rehab and prehab and just strengthening those muscles. So bend through the knee, the right knee, and I want you to lift your left leg up and lower it down. Lift it up and lower it down. This is going to help with balance as well, isn't it? So just lift, lower. You've got 5 more of those to do. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower it and bend it. Other leg. Lift, lower. Slowly. You're not letting the foot rest on the floor. Lift. So we're working against gravity. Gravity's pull. You may feel the fronts of the thighs, quads. Some people do so, they feel it around the knee. Your muscles are attached, aren't they, around the knee? Let's do last 3. 1, 2, 3. Release. Lengthen out the other leg. This time, most of you will have done this, but when we do the chair, so lift the leg up. Now, lift it up just another inch and drop it 2 inches. Lift up an inch and drop. Lift, drop, lift, drop. Up, lower, up, lower. Have a little pause. If your hip flexors here start gripping and kind of taking over, have a rest out. There's not a lot of ways you can. Make sure your tummy's drawn in, but that's when those muscles have tired out and other muscles take over. And release. I'm a lot stronger doing that one actually. Change legs. Lift, lower. Now lift just an inch and lower. We're working with about 1-2 inches, that's it. Just lift. And lift. Slow. Up, and slow, and again, and up, I'm going to go 3, 4 more, 1, 2, 3, keep those shoulders down, 4, well done. Have a little massage out, hands behind, bend through the right knee, your right knee. Now, I want you to let your left foot turn to the outside, so it's sort of, you've just done parallel, knee to the ceiling. Now let the knee just gently fall out to the side. So, lift up and lower. Lift up, full range. So don't forget, your legs have just been working, doing your balance challenge, which I've just given you. Bless me. Just lifting. Keep it slow, keep it controlled. So those of you who need to prevent knee issues, those of you do a lot of running, a lot of training, but also everyday life, just lift and lower, keep going. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, and 1, and lower. Change legs. So knee to ceiling, then let your foot just fall out to the floor. And lift. So you get a little bit more inner thigh, working with gravity. Let's just lift it up and lowering. All the heart on this leg. Lift. And you feel all different kinds of muscles. You've got one of the longest, largest muscles going on here. Keep going. Do another 3. Are you